things here. No, gracias. I was eating in that restaurant right there. Yeah, it's called Restaurante Jaco Rustico. Right there. And I was having a conversation with a gentleman over there, and he told me one thing. He told me here in Jaco, the party is always, all days, okay? And he told me to walk that way, then take a left. So I mean that way, then go to the left, and I'll see for myself. I don't know what to expect. Maybe it's a wrong route, you know, who knows. So I'm just exploring the streets of Jaco. Comida China. I think maybe Friday or Saturday I may decide to stay close to this area, so I'm supposed to go that way. And now I think I'm lost, even I don't know where my hostel is. And the funny thing is, I can't even remember the name of my hostel. That's the craziest part of it. Yeah, this place looks like the nightlife. Wow. Oh, girl show. Open 8 p.m. to, look at this, to unknown time, right there, unknown a.m. Okay, I'll pass by. I just have to remember it's opposite the sushi at home restaurant. So right there, and I see a lot of black guys here too. They hit the road early. Okay. Maybe they're gonna watch my videos and be like, how did you just film us? Yeah, so wow. So this is the real Jaco. Streets of Jaco, real time. Today's on a weekday, so probably tomorrow it's gonna be crazy here. From 8 p.m. we have short time. That sounds amazing. Okay. I don't know why there are red cars. Like there's a red car. Maybe it's a government thing. Oh, there are taxis. Taxis here are red, okay. And we have some dog having its lunch right there. Busy streets. Okay, you have really nice buildings here and touristy. You can shop here. You can shop here, but rest assured you'll break your bank. Oh, wow. Beauty everywhere. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. I just said beauty everywhere. She looked at me and smiled, you know, with like, welcome boy. Yeah, so you know, always black people always they're noisy all the time. Yeah, they make a lot of noise. Maybe I should interview them. They like most black people like their presence to be heard. There are too many right there. That guy just told me I look like a black guy. Take care, man. Gracias. That guy just asked me if I want weed or marijuana. Same thing. Hey brothers, where you from, man?
DC.
Where?
DC.
Oh, Washington. From Africa, man. Okay.
All the way from Louisiana.
Yeah, you see yourself on YouTube, man. Yeah. You know, sometimes if you don't say hello to black people, they think you're trying to be special. But you know, I'm always super chill, very... Let's first... ¿Cómo estás, mamá? Okay, gracias. So you can tell already people like, you know, to say hola, and they like to be recognized in the camera. I've seen a lot of people like actually say that. Some shopping going on here. Oh yeah, looks nice. And that's how the city looks like. I think so far I can't remember where my hostel is. You know? Yeah. Oh, it looks really, from the look of things, it looks really developed. Really developed. Okay, so let's go back to the story what I was telling you. Oh, Los Amigos is right there. I have a restaurant and bar called Los Amigos. That means the friends. Ah, it looks really a beautiful city, man. It reminds me of a city in Mexico called Tulum. Yeah, actually, it looks more of Tulum, you know. It gives me the same memories of Tulum, or probably Playa del Carmel, you know. So,
Okay, what is
looks like Tulum or Playa del Carmel. Lots of shopping going on here. PURAVIDA t-shirts. I think I'll have to create one. Yeah. A lot of tourists coming. See that? And one thing I've realized is people are so colorful here. They write a lot of stories. And like then you see like there, Buddha house. You see right there? There's a bar and open daily. And I don't know what's happening here. Maybe massage parlor and stuff. I have to film undercover, or they're selling some. So there's a party happening right there. They're trying to advertise it. You can feel it. Okay. So
buckets 5 for 4,000 colones, and the girls' drinks are free.
So they're saying girls' entrance is free, and they'll be having free drinks in the Orange House. 5. Oh wow, 5,000 colones, 5,000. That's like $10. Streets of Jaco. Very exclusive, you know. Super exclusive. Okay. I'm just learning things on my own. I think this is enough getting lost for today. Maybe I should consider going back because I'm really getting lost. I hate music. I hate music. They're gonna give me copyrights, you know? So that's not my thing. Yeah, police passing by, you see everywhere. Okay, that's good. Fuerza República. Okay. Wow. One thing I love about Costa Rica is the nature, man. Like, we're in the middle of the city, but you can see right there a lot of trees. You see trees and forest already, like, is showing up from that side. And one of the easiest way to move around is actually by a bicycle, which I'll be doing very soon. And let me know if you're in JACO, you know, we could meet up. We could do something, man, before the weekend goes. So far, I've been loving it a lot. Yeah. And I think this is one of the best times to do these tours, you know. Wow. Racers since 1993, okay? We have a river right here. I think this river, oh wow. First time I'm seeing a river going to an ocean, you know? And it's not like a tourist attraction. Yeah, there's a river going to the ocean right there. It's coming from this side. You see that side right there? Yeah. So, oh, just casually like that, you know. So probably, oh, I'm exploring here. Place to exchange money, you can see right there. I don't know even which street am I, you know, that's the funny thing. I'm trying even to read, I'm trying to see that place. Chungchiches. Oh. It's like a girl's world right there, you know? Beach party and stuff. So, KFC. Oh, there's KFC right there. Okay. And actually, I was told at night